A slew of multinational corporations have invested or increased their investment in various sectors in northeast China, making the region a hotspot for foreign investment. Vitesco Automotive Changchun Company Limited has invested more than 500 million yuan in Jilin Province, one of its important production bases, in the past 3 years.
随着中国市场的这种恢复，我们今年肯定对相比去年销售会有一个大幅提升。尤其在新能源汽车上，中国已经走在了世界的前列。这也是我们为什么我们会不断的在中国市场，尤其长春市场做进一步投资，进一步扩大产能。
Also in Jilin, a new auto production site is under construction. It will be the first automotive plant in China where only all-electric auto models roll off the line.
Der chinesische Markt hat ein enormes Potenzial und wächst im Bereich der NEV, der New Energy Vehicles, rasant. So zum Beispiel rechnen wir damit, dass im Premium-Segment die Zahl der NEV-Fahrzeuge ab dem Jahr 2026 über der Anzahl der Verbrenner liegen wird. Dafür haben wir bei Audi die strategischen Weichen schnell gestellt und verfolgen für China eine klare Elektrifizierungsstrategie.
In March this year, the construction of a mega China-Saudi Arabia chemical project worth 83.7 billion yuan commenced in Panjin city of Liaoning province. In May, BMW Group's joint venture in China, BMW Brilliance Automotive Limited, began the construction of a new battery production plant in Liaoning's capital Shenyang with a total investment of 10 billion yuan. Official data show that the actual utilization of foreign capital in Liaoning province in the first half of this year exceeded the level of the same period in 2019, while in Jilin and Heilongjiang, it increased by 23.83% and 85.2% year-on-year, respectively. The continuous increase of investment reflects foreign capital's confidence in the Chinese market and highlights the attraction of the region's industrial revitalization.
Chinese market is very strong, it's dynamic and it's resilient. So right now it's growing. There is a significant opportunity for investments of foreign companies, which gives a win-win situation for both China and the investors.